Automation Table Solutions.
Hi, I'm Richard from TTM. This is a low-floor cassette assembly system which are designed by us. This system consists of 3 stations: Manual Assembly Station 1, Robotic Assembly Station 2, and Extraction Station 3. Here, what you can see is Station 1 and Station 2. Station 3 is still in design stage. Overall, each table is composed of 7 modular sections to make it easier for transportation and final assembly at a customer plant. Each section is equipped with modular quick connect interfaces for air, power, data extractor at each end to make it quick and easy to connect the sections together after final assembly. We choose the Interroll drum model rollers with zinc-coated steel plus rubber sleeve for high friction contact to increase the grip. Meanwhile, the Interroll rollers allow for controlling multiple rollers with a single drive, and the drive we used now is MultiControl BI, which can simplify the control scheme greatly. If you are interested in our automation table solutions, please feel free to contact with us.